This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling switch control on your iPhone or iPad. Go to Settings, Accessibility, then Switch Control. You must add at least one switch. Choose Camera for head movements, External for a paired switch, or Screen for touch. Once added, configure the action. Assign Select, Move, or Pause so you know what each switch triggers. Make sure to set scanning style and auto scanning speed now. This saves repeated adjustments later and gets you into the interface quickly. Next, fine-tune scanning and create recipes for app workflows. Adjust scan speed to match your reaction, faster for nimble responses, slower for accuracy. Then open recipes to map a switch to a specific action like tap or home. This customizes control per app. Once done, choose scanning mode. Auto for hands-free progress, manual for precise step-through, or single switch for one-button control. Make sure to test the mapping briefly, so timing and actions feel natural. Finally, practice using switch control in real tasks and refine settings based on what you notice. If selections are missed, reduce scan speed or lower hold duration. If accidental taps occur, increase tap duration or enable confirmation. Once comfortable, save your recipe and toggle switch control with the accessibility shortcut for quick access. If a switch won't respond, restart Bluetooth or the device, repair the accessory, and recheck switch assignments. That usually fixes common connection hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.